Okay, as promised, assembling of the kit. First, yes, that would fall and that would hit me on my freaking toe. Ooh. So, first, let's pick what we're going to be using. Okay, one mirror bag. Okay, I'm probably not going to put this in here, but yeah, I want to put at least a pair of jersey gloves just in case I have to dumpster dive in an urban environment. Okay, I believe over here is where the candles are. Yep. So, obviously, I'm not going to use all of these. Let's just go over here. Let's just pick. I mean, any type of this type of bag, it's not going to, you know. I'm also going to be adding a thing of duct tape, which I actually do have. But yeah, it's still Dollar Tree and all that. I still have my little Dollar Tree thing. I'm putting in 2. Okay? Obviously, putting in that. Because why not? Let's get one of these. Because cleanliness is next to godliness. Put. Okay, screw you too. Shoot. They keep falling out of the bag. But yeah, I might put one of these in here. Just for note taking. Okay, cool. The colors on offer are this blue, this pink, or this. I'm gonna say red. I'm gonna do like the light blue because it fits me more. What I'm gonna do, as I said, one tour. Just like a ground cover, right? So, an urban environment, which this will fit either environment, honestly. Let's get with her. Where the heck? Okay. Cedar, neither, black, no white. Oh my god. This is gonna suck. Because see, okay, you know how these are? Yeah. You could easily destroy the bag. Easily. Because them and their infinite wisdom, right? It's not that big of a bag, but I can fit stuff in here. Okay, let's get those 2 out. First, let's put in the, where's the, let's go over here. What you can do, right? Put in. Right? Put in. Or you can only do one toe up and just be good, but then remember, if you can fold it. Okay? Then let's just start putting in some stuff. Okay? Cedar, black, no white. Okay? And the food. Actually, the food should go on top. Because that's more important to me. I'm going to just put all these in here since I have the room for this. Pretty much. And they're like not that stuff is big anyway. So, yeah. We're putting 1 and 1. That. Right? So we're going to take this out of this thing. Out of its home. It's not glassy, you're good. Yeah. There. Alright. Then we're going to put in these, obviously, because water procurement. Right? This is what I would feel right about. I'm putting these 3 ounces are like not much, like weight and whatever. Just move stuff around. Okay. I'm only adding one of these. By the way, now I'll add this one. Let's add a notebook and a pen. I will be taking these out of the package, obviously. Wish my freaking phone had more memory on it. That'd be great. This is for whatever. Okay. I'll put the candles in there later on. Okay. I do have... Did I put in one of these? No, I did not. Okay. Fold it, fold it, fold it. One of these. It costs $5, but that's generally what you'll pay for this anyway. These are here. As you see, it's still gonna be like not that big. Let's put this in the back. This also provides some back support. I do have knives I carry with me, so I'm good for that. Right. So let's put these in here. I will be putting the... I do have a bag. Actually, something's telling me to put 2 of these in here. For, you know, tender and all that. Caesar, last over. As you see, it's still perfect. This I'm going to carry with me because why not? Then, I will be adding something later on, but yeah, no. Then I'm adding a contractor bag for... Oh my god, would you get out? Seriously, this is how it is. It's literally in a ball like this and you have to dig for it. That's stupid. I'm only putting one of these in here because I know I won't be able to fit another one in here. Hopefully they're small enough. Jesus Christ, no they're not. But if I have to, I have like other things I carry with me. I carry a knife with me. I carry a little survival kit with me. I'm pretty good for that. This will pretty much be the last thing I put in here. So I was trying to just decide what I wanted to put into this kit. Roll up. Prison roll up. There we go. I will be carrying this with me. Because I have as a little keychain type thing. Also, yeah, it does have. It has a decent. It is not that bright, but it's nice. That's definitely bright. The meow setting. Yeah. I only chose. I didn't decide to pack this in, obviously, because you know what? Oh, we put the water in here too. I forgot about the little water. I have a steel cock key, so this is perfect. I can go to a thing and yeah, and we have a good enough amount of stuff, and it will fit into here. Caesar, black, no white, and bam, we have a. Oh God, if this is all I had, it's all I had. It's small enough. It's nice. I'm carrying this with me. So yeah, that's the kit. I decided not to carry 2 of these because it would have been stupid. I already have like 8 with me. This will be in case lights go out. Okay? So yeah. But that as a question, I have 2 more of these. I didn't mean to grab 3 of these. So I want ideas. What to do with the rest of this stuff. I do carry like a lighter and all that with me, and a ferro and all that, so I'm pretty good. It's a nice little cheapo thing. Oh, also, yes, you can actually do both. I'm trying to get this to a... Yes, you can do both at the same time. Love it. Caesar. By the way, that's about female rage, by the way. Looked it up. And yeah, here we go. We have enough, big enough bag to where if I forgot my kit, I ain't screwed. Anyway, peace.